starting to record it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. This is the proposal, the presentation for the project of rule number 3, assistant to classify book reviews.
So these are the main objectives of our project. Basically, our project will be a model assistant that performs sentiment analysis on book reviews. This analysis will conclude saying if that comment or review is positive or negative. Often, any product on the internet has reviews on it, and there will be n number of reviews, and it's very difficult to ultimately decide if those reviews are have a positive intention or a negative intention. Our system performs analysis to classify if it's a positive or a negative review. Now let's talk about how our system will be useful. What are its applications in the real world? First, it's a very important tool to analyze social media comments to understand exactly what people think about a brand and its competitors. This will be very helpful from a business perspective because it allows companies to know how their product is performing in the market. Also, the next thing is a feedback analysis from any kind of reviews or any reviews. It tells exactly what the public or the audience thinks about a product. The next thing is incoming support tickets. This helps about any complaints or any praises that a product receives from the audience. This will help the company to better manage its products.
Okay, one here. So we plan to develop this on using Python programming. Also, we're going to leverage Google Colabs with because we can use some of the GPU in there in order to fine tune the model. Also, we are planning to use Hugging Face, some pre-trained model that they have, and then we can extract some a specific data set that we want in order to fine tune our needs. You can go to the next one. For these data sets, we're going to work on some. Oh, I think that's yours, right?
No, it's fine.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna use Kaggle in order to extract the database, the data sets. Yeah, we're going to perform some activities on the data sets, on like cleanings. Go to the next one, please. Where we're gonna use some normalizations, stop words, and some tokenization tasks in order to clean the data set and clean it to the model. In addition, we're going to try to analyze other model, not only fine tune, like some support vector machines and other RNN algorithms that we can find there doing research and see which one works better for our needs.
Yes, as my partner was saying, we actually did a research on data sets on pretty much on Amazon Books, on Kaggle. We actually found that most of the data sets, they have pretty much like good amount of book listed, but the problem was that some of them, we found that some of them have major column missing. And even some of them have too much unclean data, like inside. So so obviously the cleaning is necessary, but the cleaning here will be minimum. With the data set that we actually that we're gonna select, we came out with a good one that has exactly, well, not exactly, like around 2,000 reviews. But out of those around 2,000, we picked like 1,000 positive reviews and 1,000 negative reviews. With this, we're going to divide the data set into a training set and a testing set. The training set will consist on pretty much 100, like 1,800 reviews. Out of those, 900 will be positive and 900 will be negative. This is gonna be the training set. And the other 200 documents will be used for testing. While the system is being testing, like we're gonna use all these 200 documents and we're gonna compare the exits of our system with the actual review of Amazon this book itself. And what we're gonna do pretty much is just calculating the ratios, the ratio of the percent of the success divided by the total. And that's what is gonna help us see that our system is working pretty much the way we are expecting. So this is pretty much what we are gonna be doing. And this is the end of the presentation of the project for group 3, assistant to classify book reviews. Thank you.